Hi viewers. Today I am going to talk to you about cost of hair transplant surgery. As you know, hair transplant is one of the most common cosmetic procedures being performed all over the world. There is an increased trend of the young men and women who resort to hair transplant surgery these days. Nowadays, FUE, which stands for follicular unit extraction, is the gold standard procedure for hair restoration surgery, and its cost depend upon a lot of factors. There are some clinics which charge per graft and some others who charge per session. I would like to explain to you that there are a few factors on which the cost of hair transplant depends. The first and the most important is the experience of the surgeon who is going to perform the surgery. As you would know that this is a cosmetic procedure which demands high skill and knowledge of anatomy and aesthetics to give good results. Any surgeon who has experience in hair transplant surgery would certainly be going to charge much more than any other doctor who is non-experienced or who doesn't have any experience in surgery or cosmetic surgery. Nowadays, there are a lot of clinics in Pakistan as well as all over the world where non-plastic surgeons or doctors with very less experience in surgery or especially hair restoration surgery are going to perform these procedures because of the safe nature of this surgery. As this is a surgical procedure, so I would request all my listeners who are interested in hair restoration should go to properly trained and qualified doctors. Another very important factor which affects the cost of hair transplant surgery is the type of instruments which are used for performing the surgery. As you know that imported instruments manufactured in well-reputed factories around the world are certainly more expensive than instruments which are produced locally. Another important factor which affects the results of hair transplant is the place where hair transplant surgery is being performed. Hair transplant clinics which are performing this surgery for more than a decade are certainly more reputable and they have good results. We are a team of two plastic surgeons, myself, Dr. Nauman, and my senior colleague, Dr. Mohammed Tahir. We have been performing this surgery for the last 18 years at Praxis Cosmetic Surgery Clinic. In addition to that, we have a team of 6 to 8 technicians who are performing this procedure for the last 12 to 15 years. We never compromise on quality. We use all the imported instruments and all the microfollicular punches and different injections or needles or any other blades which are used for during the procedure are disposable. We want to make sure that we provide highest quality care to our patients who have entrusted us for this surgery. Similarly, no compromise is made on cleanliness and sterilization so that risk of complication is minimized. Latest cutting edge techniques are employed so that our patients should have imperceptible high quality and high density hair restoration. We also ensure that the surgery performed at laser praxis is not only safe, but it should be such an experience that the patient should always be going to remember it as a comfortable and easy procedure, and we make maximum effort to minimize the length of the procedure so that the patient should not get exhausted. It is for this reason that laser praxis enjoys a good repute among its huge clientele, which includes a lot of patients who visit us from USA, from United Kingdom, from Middle East and all other parts of the world. We make sure that the procedure is individualized and we provide our services based on assessment and examination of the patient individually rather than giving a lump sum quote of per hair follicle or per session. I would request all my listeners who are interested in hair restoration surgery to please visit the clinic, get themselves assessed, and give us a chance to provide you with maximum information about the hair loss and the hair restoration procedures that are available, which can produce maximum benefit for our patients. Thank you.